The Arabic letters on the Nigerian Army logo is Nasrunminallah, which means victory comes from God alone. This particular motto was inscribed on the banner under which the Sokoto forces of the Sultan fought the British in 1903. But who inscribed Arabic letters on the Nigerian Army logo? In page 16 of his book Reminiscences, late retired General David Ejor gave an insight. He said that while in the army, he had the mandate to design a new logo for the Nigerian Armed Forces, and he had to discard the old logo by the British, which expresses the exploitation of the mineral wealth of Nigeria. In the colonial days, the cap badge of the army was a palm tree. This could be interpreted to represent the wealth of the country which the British were to exploit. For that reason, the palm tree had to go. Besides, the Action Group Party had a palm tree as its symbol, and it was important that the army and a political party should not have the same symbol. My job was to seek a new, meaningful design for the cap badge of the Nigerian Army. I set to work. In seeking a new design, I was anxious that the symbol should reflect the duty of the army and should be capable of inspiring officers and men. As I searched, I remembered the battle between the British and the Sokoto forces in 1903. At that battle, the Sokoto forces had carried the Sultan's flag with an Arabic inscription on it. That Arabic inscription, I learned, meant victory is from God alone. This, I thought, was an excellent symbol that had meaning and could inspire. What is more, the British had themselves incorporated the symbol into the regimental color which the Nigerian regiment carried on parade. I decided to incorporate the Arabic inscription into the cap badge to represent defense. Next, I searched for a symbol that would depict unity. I found an answer in Lugard's interlaced triangles, which he designed at the amalgamation to represent the coming together of northern and southern Nigeria. In choosing this symbol for the Nigerian Army cap badge, I hoped it would remind the Nigerian soldier that his duty was to defend the unity and integrity of his country. I now had two symbols representing defense and unity. Anirobo by ethnicity, Major General David Ejor, OFR GCON, was born on the 10th of January 1932 in Delta State. He died on the 10th of February 2019 at the age of 87. If you have watched this video to the end,